If your Amazon CTR is low, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you 3 things I always fix first: your main image, your title, and your price. These simple tweaks usually make a big difference. But first, let me tell you why CTR is very important on Amazon. CTR or click-through rate is super important for Amazon listing because it shows how many shoppers click on your product after seeing it. A high CTR means your listing grabs attention and appeals to buyers, which signals to Amazon's algorithm that your product is relevant and popular. This helps Amazon rank your listing higher in search results, bringing in even more traffic. Without good CTR, even a great product can get lost. Plus, CTR impacts both organic SEO and paid ads, so improving it is key to getting more clicks, more sales, and growing your business on Amazon. Strategy number 1, main image hack. Alright, let's start with the main image. This is the most important thing when it comes to getting clicks on Amazon. Think about it like this. When you're shopping for something, say a dog bowl, you are going to scroll through the search results and the very first thing you'll notice is the main image. If it doesn't catch your eye, you probably won't even bother reading the title or checking the price. Here is a quick example. Imagine searching a dog bowl on Amazon. Out of the first 5 results, which one stands out to you? Usually, it's the one that looks different, right? Like one with multiple dogs of different sizes using bowl, maybe even a cat in the image, showing it's versatile. That seller put effort into the main image, show functionality and grab attention. And guess what? The listing became a bestseller. Why does it work? Because shoppers make split-second decisions based on the image. They don't read the title or reviews at this stage. So your main image has to do a few things. Be super clear and zoom friendly. People shop mostly on mobiles, so image needs to look great even on small screens. Show real-life use or benefits like dogs using the bowl to hint at size or functionality. Include important info visually if you can. This is something many sellers don't do, so it's a good way to stand out. Use trust badges to build trust quickly. But very important, you have to follow Amazon's rules. No adding anything that's not allowed or you risk account suspension. One cool tip is to A/B test your main image if your brand is registered. This lets you try different versions and see which one gets more clicks using real data. So your homework, spend time improving your main image. Make it clear, appealing, and informative. Test different ideas because even with low reviews or if your price isn't the lowest, the great main image can pull your shoppers in and boost your CTR fast. Strategy number 2, title. Your product title is one of the biggest factors that affects your CTR on Amazon. Alongside your main image is the first thing shoppers see when scrolling through search results. A strong keyword-rich title instantly tells customers what your product is, who it's for, and why it's relevant to them. That clarity grabs attention, builds trust, and increases the chance they'll click. On the flip side, a vague or brand-focused title, especially for unknown brands, often gets ignored. So if your title doesn't clearly match what people are searching for, you are losing traffic before even they see your listing. Don't copy big brands. Here is how to write an Amazon title that ranks. Okay, let's look at this listing. Do you notice anything? The title is packed with keywords, but the brand name is missing from the front. That's intentional. A lot of new sellers make the mistake of copying big brands and putting their brand name at the first. But unless you are a household name like Ole, that's a waste of valuable space. People don't search for your brand name. They search for keywords. So instead of leading with Carolina Castle, go with something like men's handmade soap gift pack. That's what gets clicks. Strategy number 3, pricing. If you want more people to click on your listing, price matters a lot. Shoppers scroll fast, and if your price looks like a deal, they'll stop and click. That's where smart pricing comes in. First of all, launch with a big discount. When you launch a product, drop your price by 50% for 1 to 3 days. This will drive a lot of traffic and sales quickly. More sales mean better ranking in search. It's like giving your product a little rocket boost. After those 3 days, slowly increase your price every week. Don't go back full price too fast. Stretch it out over 8 weeks if you can. This keeps your sales steady and helps avoid pricing errors from Amazon. Thirdly, use dynamic price every month. Pick your top 3 slow-moving items. Then, once a month, drop the price by 10 to 20% for 1 to 3 days. This small drop brings a spike in clicks and sales without hurting the profit too much. And you can repeat this every month. Then comes Prime exclusive deals. Yes, but be careful. You can use this strategy with Prime exclusive discounts or lighting deals. Just check your profit margins. If you already discounted the item, make sure you're not losing money by adding another price drop. Lastly, avoid pricing penalties from Amazon. Don't keep the lowest price for too long. Amazon looks at your price history, like past 30 to 90 days. Now, final tip. Keep testing your prices every 30 days. So if you want more clicks on your Amazon, focus on your title, price, and your main image. These three are your click magnets. A strong title helps you show up in the search. If your CTR is low and want expert hands to work on it, just give us a call or email us info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. A great main image grabs attention. It should be clear, bright, and show the product well. Then comes the price. Use short drops 1 to 3 days to boost traffic, then raise it slowly. Keep testing these parts every month. Small changes can make big difference. If you haven't tried this full strategy yet, now is the time. Thanks for watching.